Let's continue on the cleaning course with taking care of your trash. You must take it outside by yourself near the C building. Try your best to recycle. It is necessary to live a sustainable lifestyle.
Paper goes to blue bin,
Plastic goes in the yellow.
and grass in the green.
Metal, like drinking cans, goes in the grey bin.
Anything else goes there.
Unfortunately, we don't have any bin for organic waste.
You can borrow the vacuum cleaner at the reception. Half an hour for a 20 Czech crowns.